Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft video, and we got sent this SGR12 which had a blown Mosfet on it. One of the diodes is gone, which is there for protection against current going the opposite direction. So I'm assuming that a battery has been put on the wrong way around, or an adapter or something. Anyway, the Mosfet was dead, so we didn't have any in stock. So we installed a gate A, B Mosfet, one of the small ones, inside the gearbox, and then we brought the wires out and routed them in exactly the same way the original wiring was routed, and yeah, basically repair. So got it all back and going again. It's getting about 296 on 0.2s. So yeah, not sluggish or anything like that. So not the fastest, yeah, we've tested it at range. Shoots perfectly fine on 2.8, out to 60 meters. So hopefully that's what you're after in the build. Let us know. Otherwise, here it is. We'll just demonstrate it working. There we go. Yeah, we'll put the description of the video of what we've done, but like I say, it's basic sort of straight repair on this one, and then obviously we re-shimmed the gearbox and then put it back together again. So hopefully that's all good for you. Any problems or issues with the build, let us know, but otherwise it should be ready to go back to you. So excellent, thank you.